Yeah, hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaj. I am CEO and Homeopathy Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on one of the important topics related to autism or autism spectrum disorder. We will establish the link. Is there any link between taking vaccination and development of autism? You can see in internet or in some videos or told by some doctors, maybe fake doctors or good doctors, there is a relationship between autism and taking the vaccine. I will give you all the information about this, and you can decide as a parent how to navigate this dangerous stream of getting the vaccination or not getting the vaccination. You can decide how to navigate in this narrow path. I will give you all the scientific information and you can get the inference from it. All this started from a scientific study. It is done by British physician Andrew Wakefield. He is Andrew Wakefield. He is a British physician and he is a highly qualified doctor. He is a gastroenterologist. Now he shifted to US and he is running his own autism center in US in Texas. We will look into his story, what exactly happened regarding the vaccines. Andrew Wakefield is a British physician. In 1998, he observed in some patients that giving MMR vaccine, mumps, measles, and rubella, this is a type of vaccine mainly developed by GlaxoSmithKline, is a pharmaceutical company, and many other companies do it, and main one is GlaxoSmithKline, claiming that this MMR vaccine is developing some neurodevelopmental disorders and autism is one of them. That was his statement. He has done and observed a lot of patients along with the neurodevelopmental disorders. He has observed that there are symptoms related to intestine or digestive system as well. He reported this in the Lancet magazine. Lancet magazine is one of the greatest scientific magazines in the field of medicine. If they accept anything, means it is worth. After that, what happened is all the other companies like GlaxoSmithKline, pharmaceutical companies, and World Health Organization, different regulatory bodies went against him and they made the Lancet to withdraw that paper. In 2010, UK's General Medical Council revoked his license. They removed his license, saying that he manipulated the data and he did not give correct data to the scientific community. That was the allegation on him, and they removed the data. But he claims that there is an effect. And further studies, lot of studies are done proving that there is no evidence found between vaccines and autism. Okay, that you have to remember. There are further lot of studies done. My inference on this is vaccines are not bad. Vaccines are very essential. I have seen many cases where vaccines produce side effects, right? I have seen one case where after vaccination he developed Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease or many other disease. I have seen those stories in my own practice also. But compared to risk and benefit, what is the risk of not taking the vaccine and benefit of taking the vaccine? See, anything you take in the world, there will be some risk. When we compare risk and benefit, taking vaccine is more beneficial than its side effects. That's why I suggest to take vaccine. Don't fear to take vaccine, but only thing is take the vaccines that are necessary. Don't take unnecessary vaccines. How do you identify whether the vaccine is necessary or not? Go to the government site. What government says to be mandatory, only that vaccine I prefer. Other than that, don't take any unnecessary vaccine. This is regarding my opinion or the best opinion on vaccination for autism kids. Is vaccination producing autism? Maybe in very rare cases it produces, but in not all the cases. But the advantages of taking vaccine are much more than this. Maybe it can cause autism. We don't know, but it is not proved. Homeopathy is the best treatment for autism. First one is you can prevent autism from coming again and again. So in some cases you can cure and prevent it coming again and again, and you can prevent the further progress of autism. For example, your kid has developed some symptoms. By taking homeopathic medicine, further symptoms can be prevented or existing symptoms can be relieved. All this is done without any single side effect. If you take homeopathic treatment for autism, it is safe and it is effective compared to all the treatments available in the world. There are a lot of treatments available in Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, especially in allopathy. What happens is they will mess up with your dopamine system, serotonin system, or vasopressin or oxytocin. These are all the systems which are essential. Allopathic treatment disrupts all those, but in homeopathy, without disrupting those, you can treat autism very safely and effectively. And the time for autism treatment you have to take is between 2 years to 13 years. 2 years to 13 years, the golden period for autism kids, because at this age brain is plastic. It means it can be molded to reverse the pathology. That's the reason the time for autism kids is 2 to 13 years. How homeopathy can help? What is the specialty of homeopathy in treating autism? See, autism, we say it is a spectrum disorder. In every aspect, autism is a spectrum. It is not single cause. Spectrum means multiple things. For example, if you see into the symptoms of autism, there are thousands of autism symptoms. If you look into the causes of autism, there are thousands of autism causes. If you look into the pathology of autism, it is not one single pathology. In sometimes there will be defect of synapse where two nerve cells are attaching. There may be differences in the size of the brain, parts of the brain, or there may be defect in dopamine system, serotonin system, oxytocin system, especially vasopressin system in male kids. There are different types of pathology. In the same way, the medicines also should be spectrum. Homeopathy offers you the spectrum of medicines. For example, there are around 5,000 medicines in homeopathy, and also if you compare the different doses and different concentrations of those medicines, it go up to 5 lakhs medicines. For autism, no two kids are equal. In the same way, no two homeopathic treatments are equal. So if 1,000 kids get to us for autism treatment, we give 1,000 different medicines. The reason is in every kid, the presentation of autism is different, pathology of autism is different, and the causation of autism also different. Based on this, different medicines are given in homeopathy. So the result is good. In almost all the cases where I have treated for autism has shown some improvement. I'm not saying that in almost all the cases I have cured it, but in almost all the cases I have seen the improvement. Such is the importance of homeopathy for autism. Next, we offer two types of consultation for autism. One is online consultation and in-person consultation. Wherever you are in this world, you can make us an audio call or video call and discuss your problem, show your kid, share your reports. Based on the symptoms, we will send you medicines wherever you are in this world. Within India, you will receive the medicines in 3 days. If it is US, it takes 4 business days. And if it is any other country except for Pakistan, we cannot send medicines to Pakistan. Other than Pakistan, we can send to any other country within 5 days. Or else we have multiple branches. You can inquire about the nearest branch and come to us for treatment. This is our WhatsApp or call number. +91 is the India code, 7997 101 303 is the number. Or you can reach us on www.fidicus.com, fidicus.com. Why you have to take autism? What advantages you have with Fidicus homeopathy? When you consider doctors, our doctors are passionate, highly qualified, knowledgeable, experienced. Our doctors are competent and also compassionate. Coming to the treatment, we use only high quality treatment and best in segment. See, there are different types of medicines given in autism. The main one is dilutions. Whoever the top manufacturer or best provider of dilutions, we will give that. In different segment, we will go for different company. So whoever is the best in that particular segment, we get medicines only from them. We have very high quality treatment in Fidicus homeopathy. And coming to the infrastructure, we use latest technology, and this is the first homeopathic clinic who is using artificial intelligence combined with latest technology to treat the patients of autism. That's the reason you have to go with Fidicus homeopathy for autism. And why only Fidicus homeopathy? There are many other clinics, right? There are many other homeopathic doctors or corporate clinics or small independent clinics, because we have highest chance of health. First one is for autism, we have highest success rate. In almost all the autism cases, we have seen some improvement, but I'm not claiming I have cured all the cases, but improvement we have seen in almost all the cases. And coming to the treatment, we will give you all the options available for the treatment in a particular condition, depending on the seriousness or the progress of the disease. What are all the additional things you can do? What are all the advantages you have, not only with homeopathy, other therapies as well, behavioral therapy, speech therapy. So we will give complete and transparent information to you so that you can decide whether to take the treatment or not. And next one is personal care. In this area of technology, we will not direct you to completely to technology. Any patient to doctor interaction or patient to hospital staff interaction, it is purely personal, and we will maintain confidentiality of your documents, or we will respect your privacy, and we will ensure that there is good personal care given to you. For all these reasons, Fidicus homeopathy is the best option in front of you for treating autism. Thank you.